Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when download for the apps in App Gallery won't begin in Huawei Nova Y91. To do this, we'll need to open our App Gallery, and here let's try to download something. So as you can see, it starts at 0 and it's stuck like this forever. After some time it stops and we can resume it, but it repeats the same thing. And to fix this, we'll need to enter our settings, then scroll all the way down and locate system and updates. Inside there's date and time, and here you can enable set time automatically. Now we can go back to App Gallery, and here if you click on resume, it instantly begins the download. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.